Hi, I'm Aaron with Archer Landscape Design. And if you're wondering what happens after you fill out this form on our website, here's exactly what to expect. And I want you to know up front, you're in good hands. Step number one, a message comes straight to our email, family-owned team. We're not a big corporation pretending to be local. We are truly a family-owned Texas company. We live in Spring, we work in Magnolia, and we love serving our community. When you submit your form, it goes directly to us. A real person reads it and makes sure your request goes to the right member of our team. Nothing is outsourced, nothing goes to a call center, and your information stays private. And if you don't believe us, our door is always open. Come see us in person. We genuinely would love to meet you. Step number two, you'll get a quick confirmation. You'll receive a simple text or email letting you know we got your request. Just a friendly acknowledgement, nothing more. Step number three, we contact you the next business day. One of our team members will reach out to you the next business day to guide you to the next step, whether that's a vision call, maintenance request, drainage evaluation, or something else. We're closed all major holidays, and we do take a much-needed break between Christmas and New Year's. But outside of that, we're here hard working for you. Step number four, we keep everything simple, respectful, and predictable. You're trusting us with your home, and we take that seriously. Our job is to guide you, answer your questions, and to make the process clear, comfortable from the very beginning. One more thing, your privacy and your inbox matter. We don't spam people, we don't blow up your phone, and if you ever hit unsubscribe, we honor it immediately. No games, no guilt trips, no chasing you around. You have an issue with your landscape, we're here to help. If we're not the right company for you, we're not going to harass you into working with us. That's not who we are. Thank you for reaching out to Archer. We're a local Texas family, and we look forward to helping you create a landscape you will love.